Welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's e-learning platform. Subject English Standard 7th. Today we are going to learn a new poem from unit number 2. From a Railway Carriage. Composed by Robert Louis Stevenson. Look at the picture and observe it carefully. What do you see in the picture? Yes, we can see train, but here we can say railway. Can you tell me, student, why the railway runs? Yes, because it carries passengers, goods and carriers, etc. from one place to another place and always help us like this way. Now we'll read the first stanza of the poem and then we see or learn its explanation. Faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and horses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. Explanation. The poet describes many scenes from the window of a railway carriage. He says that the train runs faster than magical creatures such as fairies or witches. He sees bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. The horses and cattle in the meadow seem to rush away as if they were soldiers on a battlefield. Next stanza. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Explanation. The train passes hills and plains. The sides there fly away thick as heavy rain. Now and again painted stations pass by even before one can wink. As a train passes these stations, the whistle of the engine is heard. Next stanza. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is a green for stringing the daisies. Explanation. Suddenly one sees a child all by himself climbing with difficulty and gathering bushes with blackberries. Then one might see a jobless person standing and gazing. This will be followed by green grass which children use to string daisies. Next stanza. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with lamp and load. And here is a mill and there is a river. Each is a glimpse and gone forever. Explanation. Now one sees a cart running away in the road, moving in the jerks as it carries man and load. Then one stops a mill followed by a river. Each sight is seen for a very short time and then it is gone forever. Meanings. Witch, a woman who believed to have magical powers and who uses them to harm or help other people. Hedge, a line of bushes. Ditch, a long narrow open canal dug into the ground, usually at the side of a road or field. Troop, a group of soldiers. Meadow, a field with grass. Clamber, to climb up, across or into somewhere with difficulty using the hands and the feet. Scramble, to move or climb quickly but with difficulty, often using your hands to help. Bramble, a wild bush with thorns that produces blackberries. Tramp, a person with no home, job or money who travel around and ask for money from other people. A wanderer. Daisy, A small flower with white petals and yellow center which often grow in grass. Lumping, here moving with jerk. Glimpse, something that you see for a very short time. Thank you for staying with us.